Welcome back. In this video, let's learn how to make the best use of the 150-page course guide. This PDF contains all the details about the course. How do you install the tools that are needed? What are the different sections in this specific course? And also the code that is used in each of the individual sections. I would like to congratulate you again on making this choice to learn from in 28 minutes. You're joining a set of 150,000 learners who are having awesome learning experiences. This PDF guide is just the next step in providing you with an awesome course experience. The PDF guide contains step-by-step details of each section as well as the code for each of these sections. So if you are doing a specific section and you are having a problem with any of the pieces of code, you can look at it in here. So you can take the code from here and make sure that you got it absolutely right. I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun in this course, and I look forward to seeing you in the next step. Until then, bye-bye.